I forgot to upload a video. Kala ko matalino ako, ulianin pala! Yes, mga kababayan kong Pilipino, I forgot to Kababayan ba tayo? Pwede ba kitang tawagan kababayan? Counted ba ang pusong Pinoy kahit hindi talaga Pinoy? Counted po ba ang piling Pinoy? Anyway, nakalimutan kong mag-upload ng video. We filmed this video that I forgot to upload nung nasa Australia pa kami. Ang title ng video po ay 33-year-old goes on a trampoline for the first time. Actually, come to think of it, medyo palpak yung title ng video na yan, no? Palpak. Buti na lang hindi ko in-upload. Let's rename the video to something cooler. 33-year-old on trampoline. 33-year-old woman jumps. An old lady jumps on a trampoline. Ang matandang babae tumatalon sa isang trampoline sa first time sa buong buhay niya. Ang mas maganda pag Tagalog, no? Mas madaling maintindihan. Yung matandang babae na yan ay aking asawa na si Shanta. Pasensya na, bebe ha. Matanda ka lang talaga, bebe ha. Sinasabi ng mga fans natin na dapat magka-baby na tayo, bebe. Kailan tayo magka-bebe, bebe? Kainis. Matanda na kasi talaga ang 33, bebe. Wala ka na sa kalendaryo. Hanggang 31 lang nga. Nasa ano ka na? Bingo. Okay, so anyway, here it is. Our last video from our trip in Australia where Shanta jumps on a trampoline for the first time and uses an actual washing machine for the first time. One that works anyway. Panoorin po natin. Magandang hapon Pilipinas, ako po si Dwayne muli at nandito po ako ngayon sa Australia kasama na asawa kong maganda. So ngayon po, tingnan natin kung ano ang itsura ng isang Pilipino na magta-trampoline for the first time sa buong buhay niya. Yung Pilipina na yan ay si Shanta Marie Woolley. Shanta! This is your first time on a trampoline, isn't it?
I went to a trampoline. I went on a trampoline when I went to MOA. You have harnesses here and you can go up.
Ah, one of those ones.
Yeah.
Well, this is a real trampoline.
Without harness.
That's right. Let's see what Shanta looks like on the trampoline.
It'd be so funny.
Alrighty. Tingnan natin ang itsura ni Shanta sa trampoline. Alright, here she goes. She's going for it.
Oh yeah?
Come on, Shanta, you can do it. Show us what you got. Oh, here she goes. She's getting up there.
We don't feel my tambo.
Oh, here we go.
Oh my gosh. I can jump. It's so fun.
Go, you can do it.
Jump high.
Jump higher.
Wait.
Hindi mo kaya?
It's like when I go down, it goes down with me. Yeah, isn't it? Oh my gosh. Come here, Ellie. Yeah.
Woo! Woo! Alright, hold on. Shanta, hop up.
It hurts my leg.
Go.
It hurts my leg.
It hurts your legs. Go, come on.
Here.
Come on, you can do it.
I can't.
I'll power bounce her.
No. We should play crack the egg with Shanta. What's
Crack the egg. So may isang game dito sa Australia na tinatawag na crack the egg. Buksan natin ang itlog. So what you gotta do, Shanta?
Yeah.
Is you gotta curl up in a ball like Hallie is. See?
Yeah,
Like Hallie? Yep.
And
And then you gotta hold that position, okay?
Okay. Oh my gosh, I might break my neck.
So hindi mo pwedeng bitawan
Safe.
ang ano mo,
There's a
ang legs mo,
harness
ha?
behind.
So si Shanta ang itlog. And yung layunin namin ni Hallie is buksan namin ang itlog na yan.
It's hard being an egg.
Shanta, how's your first time on a trampoline?
Scary. Scarier than movie world.
Talon, tapos you land on your puwet.
No.
Yeah,
Sige
I
na nga.
wanted to do that.
Sige na nga, sige na nga. No, you jump and then you land on your butt. You don't roll onto your back. Puwet, sige na. Sige na.
Ang minamahal ko po, aking diwata.
Ayan, sige. So, you get the sabon. Yun. Kunin mo. Tapos, tanggalin mo yung takip. Tapos, ilagay mo sa takip. Hanggang puno na siya. Stop. Ayun. Tapos, tanggalin mo yung takip na yan.
Ini?
Oo. Yun.
It's so hard.
Alam mo yan. Ayun. Galing. Tapos, ilagay mo dito sa loob. Yan. Tapos, ibalik mo.
Halo-halo ka man, waray Tagalog. Is it fine?
Ibalik mo. Tapos, sirahi.
Is it fine now?
Yeah. That's fine now. Right, now that we got the soap in there, now you can press the button. Go. Did you press it? Ayun. Ang galing! Palakpakan po natin!
If I have this kind of washing machine, I won't have any laundry lying around. Because it's so easy.
Now we're gonna show Shanta what an Australian clothesline looks like. Shanta, magsampay na tayo. Sige na.
Do you want me to stop? Yeah.
This beautiful life.
Oh, but they're beautiful.
She thinks the ibis are beautiful.
Dad said that they have a penis head. Get it.
There we go, Shanta.
No, they ate this one.
Throw some food to it. There he goes, he's got your food.
Oh, it's scary.
Shanta and Helly.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me falling slow.